All right, y'all, we about to make some steak and broccoli stir fry. Let's go. Get you some flank steak, y'all. Cut it real thin and go up in a bowl. Go up in there with some soy sauce. Go up in there with some cooking rice wine, baby. And go up in there with that oyster sauce. Just a little bit of vegetable oil. And a little bit of water. 1 big spoon of that minced garlic. About this much chicken bouillon. Go ahead on, y'all, and mix everything up real nice. You can let this marinate, y'all, overnight. I'm gonna let it marinate for 30 minutes, baby. 1 stick of butter. Go up on there with that steak. Get it about 50% cooked, y'all. Go up on there with that fresh broccoli. Now hit it with some water. Cover it up, babe. When that broccoli's cooked up how you like it, baby, go ahead on and mix it up now. I got the trees, bro. Y'all want trees, bro? Look at these big trees. Let me see what they looking like. I ain't mad at them. All right, y'all. Check it out.